Portal user access grants team access to owners, cleaners, maintenance staff, etc. to view availability calendars and perform actions like blocking off time or viewing owner statements. Staff access gives complete access to your account. This video will go over the steps to grant portal access to those that will need access to only certain functions of your OwnerRez account. Navigate to your Team Access area by expanding the drop-down menu of your account and clicking on Team Access, and make sure you have the Portal tab selected. Branded Portal is for those that wish to link a subdomain of your primary domain name to the OwnerRez servers so that the Team Access will live at your domain and portal users will log into your branded domain rather than using the main OwnerRez URL. This is sometimes known as White Label Client Portal. Please see our Branded Portal video for more info about this. To grant portal access to an individual, click on Invite Portal User, enter their contact info, select which properties to grant access to, and which permissions you will be granting. Click Invite when you have completed this section. An email invitation will be sent out to the portal user invitee. When they click on the link in the email, a portal login page will open where they can create a new account and have the options to send an email to you, update their first and last names, update their email address, and create their own password. After the new user completes this section and clicks Join, they will have access to the areas of your OwnerRez portal that you have granted them permission to access. If the portal user already has a Portal Team Access account with another OwnerRez user, they can choose to link accounts, and then they can use the same login and password to view multiple OwnerRez Portal Team Access accounts. To change permissions of a portal user, go back to Team Access, click on the portal user, and click on Grant Portal Access. Here you can edit which properties and permissions they can access. Click Save. Once you've configured the permissions, portal users will be able to log in and see what you've given them access to. If you want to verify what they have access to, use the Login As button on the portal user settings for that individual portal user. That will log you into their account, and you can look around and verify that you've set it up properly. The Last Access item tells you the last time the portal user has logged in or blocked off time. This is useful information to make sure they were able to log in successfully and are keeping up to date on the system. For more detailed information, hover over the Time link next to Last Access. For more info about portal access, please see our Support Center article, ownerreservations.com/support/articles Team Portal Access. Thanks for choosing OwnerRez.